If your employer tells you after you return from medical leave and request light duty that they don't have it, look at the situation. Are there actually light duty situations available for you? Light duty work and a request for it, especially when it's related to a disability, can be considered a request for a reasonable accommodation. To determine whether something is reasonable and whether you're lawfully entitled to it under the ADA, the individual condition you have has to qualify as a disability under the ADA. The request that you're making needs to be reasonable, meaning that it can't be some insane request for items that no employer would be expected to provide for you, and it has to be within reason and reasonably related to what you need for your condition. And then the third thing is make sure it doesn't present an undue burden for the business. The bigger the business, the more resources it has, the less likely that something will be an undue burden. Some evidence that you can use to show that individual accommodations in your request are not an undue burden is if somebody else has been granted that accommodation in the workplace before. Ultimately though, employers may have to give you light duty work if it's a reasonable request for accommodation related to your disability.